exposed ourselves.
If you could meet one celebrity, who would it be?
Why did you start YouTube?
So me and her, we're gonna be doing Vlogmas.
Okay, this is a makeup thingy. We're each gonna ask each other a question.
Thingy.
A Q&A thing.
Oh.
But we're like gonna ask the other person the question and then,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know who goes first.
I guess you will. Are you planning on doing a vlogging your birthday sleepover?
I am planning on vlogging.
Oh, I'm so
this
excited.
sleepover. What about you?
Oh, probably. Most likely, yeah. Okay.
Okay, what is like your favorite artist and why? Like music artist.
Oh gosh. Favorite artist. Let's see. It kind of depends on my mood. Recently, I've been like listening to Christmas music, you know. But if it's not listening to Christmas music, I am listening to Hamilton. What about you?
For
Favorite
artists, it varies. Same with
Yeah.
you. It varies on my mood or like what type of feeling.
Yeah.
But like one artist I really like is NF. Very good artist.
What's his face?
No, you're becoming me. I always say what's his face.
Oh no. Alex Beck.
Alex Benjamin?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
close.
yeah.
I was close.
Alex Benjamin. I love Alex Benjamin.
Yeah,
Alex.
totally.
I can't talk, and then I love like multiple other. Like I can't watch my own videos without wanting to
I know.
smack myself.
Dude, first video I ever made.
I'll enter 2 seconds of one of my old videos, so we're both getting
Okay,
equally
fine.
tortured here.
Sure.
Here's 2 seconds from my old video, and here's 2 seconds from hers.
Your name, but they're like a really popular gummy brand.
Yeah.
Okay, now that we both exposed ourselves. Anyways, yeah.
If you could meet one celebrity, who would it be?
Gosh, way to put me on the spot. Not her name, but the actor who plays Rory Gilmore in Gilmore Girls.
Her. I don't remember.
I forgot her. Alexis Blendell. I think that's how you say it.
Yeah?
But I'd want to meet her probably because I loved her character. I also loved the character Lorelai, but
Yeah. Okay, so I'd probably
you?
want to meet Anne Hathaway or Lizzo or like anyone who, I don't know.
Anne Hathaway's.
I love her.
Oh my
accents.
gosh.
Or David Deegs.
I thought you were gonna say David Dobrik.
I mean him too. You know, I could meet the whole vlog squad. That would be awesome.
More over here. I don't want you to be out of
Yeah,
hand.
that would be so good. Cool. To
That'd
like
be
meet the whole vlog squad.
The whole vlog squad. I don't know what that is.
That was crazy. It's like David Dobrik and all his friends.
I don't watch.
Oh
David
my god,
Dobrik.
Liza Koshy.
No. I knew that already. That you'd want to meet her. I don't really like Liza Koshy's like content, to be honest. But
Really?
I don't think I like her as a person.
Oh no,
I just
yeah,
don't watch her
she's so
videos.
nice. Her old videos, Wednesdays with Liza and all that. Oh my gosh, they were so funny.
Has she changed now?
A little bit, but not too much. She's so pretty funny.
Do you still watch her videos? No.
It's been a while, but I follow her on Instagram. Okay, so what's your favorite color?
I don't have favorites. I don't pick favorite colors, okay?
Top-
It depends on my mood.
Okay.
So what's my
Currently.
favorite color at the moment?
Yes.
Probably like a mint green. What about you?
I guess my all-time favorite would be like a darker yellow, kind of like honey mustard color, like a honey maybe. Kind of pastel colors, like a pastel green, darker pastel green.
Pastels are so pretty.
Yeah. December is vlog, like
Vlogmas, yeah.
Vlogmas.
Are you
So-
gonna do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Every single day?
Yeah, I'm gonna make like a schedule.
Same.
So me and her, we're gonna be doing Vlogmas. It's gonna be crazy.
So go to both of our channels. Like
Both.
Her channel link is in my
Yeah.
description. You should go
And
subscribe.
hers is in my description.
Okay, next question. Why did you start YouTube? My
So I
question.
think the reason I started YouTube was because I saw so many like great people doing it, like Liza Koshy, David Dobrik, things like that, and I wanted to also make videos like that, you know, like skits and I don't know, just like a I don't know, can't talk. I cannot talk. I let people have fun, you know, let them enjoy watching my videos, you know, purely for entertainment. And I don't know, I just really enjoy making them. And then, but for some reason I like stopped, and it was kind of sad. But then I saw like Zoe like making YouTube videos. A lot. And so I guess she just got me on the start to making videos again. And I've kind of just been like, at first I would like make a video every so often, you know, but now it's like once a week, you know, Fridays and Saturdays. And I've just been like wanting to get more subscribers. I know, a little selfish, but I think like the more subscribers I have, the more that people will enjoy them, I guess. I don't know.
At the end of the day, it's
purely for entertainment.
It's purely, and one of the things about, the good thing about YouTube is when you do get paid, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I don't have that, but neither of us have that. But once you hit that 1,000 point and you hit that 4,000, you get paid based off your views and watch time, and you never actually get paid. You never get paid off of your amount of subscribers. So that won't dock you in the long run.
No, it won't.
So you can make like really good content and like 70% of them could not subscribe, but they would watch your video through. You'd be making money from that. Even haters, people who click on your video for 2 minutes and then go, this is garbage, which here I'll enter a screenshot. Someone said this is garbage.
I know. Person who said that was funny.
It was funny. It made me
Zoe's
laugh.
first hate comment.
I literally was like, my first hate comment.
Wow, she's already getting famous. Zoe, remember me when you hit 1,000.
Oh, trust me, I will remember you long after too.
Oh gosh.
We're so fun. Oh my gosh, it just got brighter. Is that only me?
It didn't. No, it's the clouds.
Oh.
It's been moving that way.
If you're wondering, we're matching. We're twinsies.
I know, we're matching. Twins. We've got black shoes.
Wait, hold
black
on. I want to
leggings.
do this like pose. Okay, I saw this pose that someone didn't know. You put your feet out and you hold your hands together and you go like this. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that could be our thumbnail or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We're so fun. Gosh.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yep, we're doing the piggyback over here. It's like. Who knows? Well, I just licked your nose. Okay.
You
come at
just
me.
like
Ready?
yelled in my ear.
I know. So now it's your turn.
Okay. What time is it?
I don't know. Should we go inside?
What the heck?
Okay, we're ending the.
See you later.
See you soon.